The top three foods to help prevent leg cramps in seniors are all about building stronger, healthier muscles. Are you tired of waking up in the middle of the night with those painful leg cramps or dealing with muscle stiffness that makes it tough to move around? Well, here's the good news. The right foods can help relax your muscles, boost circulation, and stop cramps before they even start. In today's video, we're going to share the top three superfoods that keep seniors cramp-free, strengthen muscles, and improve mobility. So stick around, because you won't want to miss these life-changing nutrition tips. Before we dive in, I'd love to hear where you're tuning in from today. Drop a comment below and feel free to ask any questions you might have. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a health-boosting tip from Health 365. First up, let's chat about eggs. Among all the nutrient-rich foods that promote muscle health, eggs really shine as a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals. But how do eggs actually help with leg cramps in older adults? Let's explore this together. Muscle fatigue is a major cause of cramps, and protein is crucial for muscle repair and maintenance. Seniors often face age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, which makes them more prone to cramps and weakness. Eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they have all 9 essential amino acids. Just one large egg packs in 6 grams of high-quality protein, which aids in rebuilding muscle fibers and reducing fatigue. This enhances muscle contraction efficiency, which in turn lowers the frequency of cramps. Including eggs in your diet can really support muscle strength and endurance, decreasing the chances of those painful cramps. Now let's talk about how the vitamin D in eggs helps with calcium absorption and muscle function. Vitamin D is vital for calcium absorption and muscle contraction. Without enough vitamin D, you might experience muscle weakness, cramps, and even chronic pain. Research indicates that older adults with a deficiency in vitamin D tend to suffer from more frequent and intense leg cramps. Egg yolks are a natural source of vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining bone and muscle health. Although sunlight is the most effective way to generate vitamin D, many seniors spend less time outdoors, making it vital to obtain this nutrient from their diet. Consuming eggs can assist seniors in keeping their vitamin D levels optimal, thereby lowering the risk of cramps. So, can eating eggs regularly help stave off muscle cramps related to vitamin D deficiency? Absolutely, but relying solely on diet might not suffice. Each egg provides roughly 40 IU of vitamin D, while the recommended daily intake for seniors ranges from 800 to 1,000 IU. To enhance vitamin D consumption, seniors should consider pairing eggs with fortified dairy products like milk and yogurt, or fatty fish such as salmon and sardines. If vitamin D levels are low, a supplement might be necessary, along with spending time outdoors for natural vitamin D production. While eggs do contribute to vitamin D intake, combining them with other sources can lead to improved muscle and bone health, which helps in reducing cramp occurrences. Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve function, and low levels can impair nerve signals, resulting in muscle spasms, tingling, and cramps. Eggs are beneficial for nerve health as they provide B12 and choline, which work together to protect the myelin sheath and enhance communication between muscles and nerves, ensuring smooth contractions and relaxation. This can help prevent cramps related to neuropathy, which are often seen in diabetics and seniors. Regular egg consumption supports nerve integrity, reducing the chances of misfired signals that can cause muscle cramps. Are older adults more susceptible to muscle cramps if they have low B12 levels? And how can eggs assist? Yes, seniors are indeed more at risk for B12 deficiency due to decreased stomach acid production, which hinders B12 absorption. Common medications like metformin or acid reflux drugs can also deplete B12 levels, and dietary restrictions may lead to lower consumption of animal-based foods. A lack of B12 can lead to frequent muscle cramps and weakness, as well as nerve damage that results in burning, numb, or tingling sensations. It can also cause anemia, which decreases the oxygen supply to muscles. Eggs are a great source of B12 for seniors because they are easy to digest and can help prevent deficiencies that lead to cramps. While meat, fish, and dairy are also excellent sources of B12, eggs provide a lower fat option compared to red meat and are easier to digest for seniors with weaker digestive systems. They offer a rich mix of protein and vitamins, not just B12. For vegetarians who eat dairy but avoid meat, eggs are one of the best ways to keep B12 levels up. So, how many eggs should seniors eat each week to support muscle health without raising cholesterol levels? Research shows that moderate egg consumption, around 6 to 7 eggs per week, is safe for most people and doesn't significantly affect cholesterol levels in healthy seniors. However, for those with heart issues or high cholesterol, it's best to consult a doctor. Still, swapping processed meats for eggs can be a heart-healthy choice. Can eggs help with nighttime leg cramps in seniors? Yes, nocturnal leg cramps are often related to poor muscle recovery, electrolyte imbalances, and nerve issues. Since eggs provide protein for muscle repair, B12 for nerve protection, vitamin D, and calcium for muscle function, including them in an evening meal or breakfast can help balance nutrients and support overnight muscle recovery, reducing nighttime cramps. Some seniors may need to adjust their egg intake based on their health conditions. For instance, seniors with kidney disease might need to limit protein intake, so consulting a doctor is important. Those with high cholesterol can opt for egg whites instead of whole eggs, and diabetics should pair eggs with fiber-rich foods like vegetables and whole grains for better blood sugar control. Overall, for most older adults, eggs are a highly beneficial food that supports muscle, nerve, and overall health to maximize benefits. Seniors should regularly eat eggs, aiming for about 6 to 7 each week. Pairing eggs with other nutrient-rich foods like leafy greens, dairy, and nuts is a great idea. Staying hydrated and keeping a balanced electrolyte intake is important. For seniors wanting to naturally reduce muscle cramps, eggs are a simple and effective addition to the diet. So, the next time you whip up breakfast, think about adding an egg to your plate. It's one of the best choices for muscle health. Now, let's talk about bananas. Potassium is an essential mineral for muscle contractions, nerve signaling, and fluid balance. When potassium levels drop too low, a condition known as hypokalemia can occur, making muscles more susceptible to spasms and cramps. Bananas are among the best natural sources of potassium, with one medium banana containing about 420 milligrams, which is 12% of the recommended daily intake. By keeping potassium levels in check, bananas help regulate muscle contractions and prevent spasms, ensuring smooth nerve communication for muscle control and balancing fluid levels to reduce dehydration-related cramps. For seniors, eating 1 to 2 bananas daily can significantly help lower the frequency of muscle cramps. So, what happens when potassium levels are too low, and how does it lead to muscle cramps? Potassium is vital for transmitting electrical signals between nerves and muscles. When potassium levels drop, muscles can become overly excitable, leading to frequent cramping. Nerve signals can get disrupted, increasing the risk of involuntary muscle contractions. Cells may struggle to balance fluids, resulting in muscle stiffness. Studies indicate that seniors are at a higher risk for potassium deficiency due to factors like reduced appetite, poor dietary intake, medication side effects like diuretics for blood pressure, excessive sweating, or dehydration. By incorporating bananas into their diet, seniors can naturally replenish potassium levels and support normal muscle function. Magnesium is another key mineral for muscle relaxation and nerve function. It helps reduce muscle excitability, preventing sudden cramps, supports ATP production for energy during muscle contractions, and regulates calcium and potassium balance, which is essential for overall muscle health. Every banana has 32 milligrams of magnesium, which helps prevent muscle tightness and spasms. Many seniors don't get enough magnesium, so eating bananas along with other magnesium-rich foods like nuts and leafy greens can help lessen muscle cramps and aid recovery. Nocturnal leg cramps, which happen at night, are often linked to electrolyte imbalances, low potassium, magnesium, poor circulation, and dehydration. Since bananas are packed with potassium, magnesium, and hydrating carbs, Having 1 to 2 hours before bed might help relax your muscles, reduce cramp intensity, balance electrolytes, and prevent nighttime spasms. This can also support sleep quality by easing muscle tension. Now, how does the vitamin B6 in bananas help with nerve function and muscle recovery? Vitamin B6 is essential for nervous system health. It helps regulate neurotransmitters that control muscle movements and reduces inflammation, allowing muscles to recover faster after exercise. It also boosts red blood cell production, ensuring muscles get enough oxygen. Each banana offers zero point 0.4 milligrams of vitamin B6, which is almost 30% of the daily requirement for seniors. Research indicates that low vitamin B6 levels can lead to more muscle cramps and spasms due to nerve dysfunction, increased inflammation, making muscles more susceptible to pain and stiffness, and reduced energy production causing muscle fatigue. A 2018 study found that seniors with low vitamin B6 intake had more frequent leg cramps. Since bananas are a natural source of vitamin B6, they can help prevent nerve-related muscle problems. Bananas also help restore potassium and magnesium levels, reducing cramps related to electrolytes, and provide natural sugars and water for hydration. They help balance sodium levels, which is vital for muscle contraction and relaxation. For seniors, staying hydrated and eating electrolyte-rich foods like bananas is key to keeping muscles functioning smoothly. While bananas help with hydration, they should be consumed alongside sufficient water intake. If muscle cramps are caused by dehydration, drinking enough water is just as crucial as eating bananas. For the best results, aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water each day. Pair bananas with water or coconut water, which also has electrolytes. By keeping both fluid and electrolyte levels balanced, seniors can avoid dehydration-related muscle cramps. So, how many bananas should seniors eat daily to help prevent leg cramps? The ideal amount can vary, but typically 1 banana a day offers enough potassium and magnesium to support muscle health. For those who often experience muscle cramps, 2 bananas a day might be beneficial. Since bananas are high in natural sugars, seniors with diabetes should eat them in moderation, along with fiber-rich foods like nuts or whole grains to prevent blood sugar spikes. For seniors dealing with frequent muscle cramps, having 1 banana daily, staying hydrated, and following a balanced diet can greatly enhance muscle function and lower cramp frequency. Now let's talk about nuts and seeds. While potassium and magnesium-rich foods like bananas and leafy greens are well known for preventing cramps, nuts and seeds are another fantastic dietary addition that can greatly boost muscle health and prevent cramping. Loaded with magnesium, potassium, protein, and healthy fats, nuts and seeds aid in muscle relaxation, circulation, and electrolyte balance. Let's take a look at how almonds, pumpkin seeds, cashews, and other nuts can help keep seniors' muscles strong and cramp-free. Many seniors don't get enough magnesium, which makes them more susceptible to frequent and painful leg cramps. Nuts and seeds are among the best natural sources of magnesium, making them an easy way to help prevent cramps. Here's the magnesium content per 1 ounce serving. Pumpkin seeds have a 168 milligrams, 40% of daily needs. Almonds have 77 milligrams, 20% of daily needs. And cashews have 74 milligrams, 19% of daily needs. Eating a small handful of nuts each day can help replenish magnesium levels and keep muscles relaxed and healthy. While bananas are commonly linked to potassium, many nuts and seeds also offer this vital mineral. For instance, pistachios contain 290 milligrams, almonds have 200 milligrams, and cashews provide 160 milligrams per 1 ounce serving. Since electrolytes like magnesium and potassium are lost through sweat, it's crucial to replenish them for muscle recovery and to prevent cramps. This is why nuts and seeds are excellent for restoring electrolytes. They are rich in both magnesium and potassium, which support muscle recovery. Additionally, they contain healthy fats that help reduce muscle inflammation and provide protein that aids in muscle repair. For seniors who often experience cramps after physical activity, Munching on a handful of nuts or adding seeds to meals can help replace lost minerals and keep muscles cramp-free. The healthy fats in nuts and seeds also promote blood flow, ensuring that muscles get enough oxygen and nutrients to work properly. Omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts and flax seeds help reduce muscle inflammation, while the monounsaturated fats in almonds and cashews enhance circulation, lowering the risk of cramps. Poor circulation can lead to painful leg cramps, especially at night. By regularly consuming nuts, seniors can boost blood flow and decrease cramping episodes. So, can eating nuts and seeds help lessen inflammation that leads to muscle fatigue and cramping? Absolutely. Chronic inflammation can harm muscle tissue and make seniors more susceptible to cramping and soreness. Nuts and seeds are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce oxidative stress in muscles, lower inflammation, and allow for quicker muscle recovery. They also support long-term muscle health, preventing frequent cramps. For seniors dealing with chronic muscle pain or arthritis, incorporating walnuts, flax seeds, and almonds into their diet can offer natural anti-inflammatory benefits. While all nuts and seeds are nutritious, some are especially good for muscle health. Due to their high magnesium, potassium, and protein content. The top nuts and seeds to help stop leg cramps include pumpkin seeds, which are packed with magnesium at 168 milligrams per ounce. Almonds are also a fantastic source of magnesium and potassium. Pistachios are among the best nuts for potassium, offering 290 milligrams per ounce. Cashews are high in magnesium and healthy fats that support circulation. Walnuts are loaded with omega-3s, which can help reduce muscle inflammation. For optimal results, seniors should eat a mix of nuts and seeds to gain various muscle-supporting nutrients. So, how many nuts and seeds should seniors consume daily to avoid leg cramps? While these snacks are super nutritious, they are also calorie-rich, so it's crucial to keep an eye on portion sizes. The recommended amount is a small handful, about 1 ounce of nuts each day, which is roughly 20 almonds or 2 tablespoons of seeds. You can sprinkle flax seeds, chia seeds, or pumpkin seeds on your meals for extra benefits. The best times to enjoy nuts and seeds for muscle health are during meals, as they aid in nutrient absorption and electrolyte balance. Eating them before bed can help prevent nighttime leg cramps by keeping your muscles relaxed. After exercising, they can help replenish lost electrolytes and support muscle recovery. By enjoying nuts in moderation, seniors can effectively prevent cramps. While keeping a balanced diet, it's important to note that nuts and seeds have plenty of benefits, but there are a few things to keep in mind. They are high in calories, and overeating them can lead to weight gain, so portion control is key. Salted or processed nuts have a high sodium content, which can lead to dehydration and increase the risk of cramps. Additionally, some individuals may have nut allergies, so it's wise to consider alternative sources of magnesium and potassium. Nuts and seeds are also high in fiber, which might cause bloating or discomfort for seniors with sensitive digestion. The solution? Opt for unsalted, raw, or dry roasted nuts and enjoy them in moderation to reap the maximum muscle health benefits without any side effects. For seniors aiming to naturally reduce muscle cramps, eating a small handful of nuts or adding seeds to daily meals can be a simple and tasty way to support muscle health. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps us provide more valuable content. Drop a comment below to share your thoughts, questions, or topics you'd like us to cover next. We love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll catch you in the next video.